Take a moment and be honest with yourself. Not the version of you that makes excuses. Not the version that says, I'll start tomorrow. The real you. The one that knows you're capable of more. Because right now, you're not even close to your potential. You wake up tired. You scroll for hours. You delay the work that actually matters. And then you tell yourself, I'll fix it later. But later never comes. And deep, you don't know that. You feel it every single day. That pressure in your chest. That quiet voice in your head telling you that you're wasting time. And the truth is, you Adi. But here's where it gets real. Nobody is coming to save you. Let that sink in. No mentor is going to show up and fix your habits. No opportunity is going to fall into your lap. No magical moment is going to suddenly make you disciplined. That's not how life works. You either build discipline or you stay stuck. And most people, they stay stuck. Not because they're not talented, but because they're comfortable. Comfort is the enemy. It feels good. It feels safe, but it slowly destroys your future. Because every time you choose comfort over effort, you train yourself to stay weak. Think about that. Every time you hit snooze, every time you avoid the hard task, every time you say, I don't feel like it, you're building a habit. Not a good one. A habit of quitting. A habit of avoiding pressure. A habit of staying average. Habits, they don't just disappear. They compound day after day, week after week, until one day you wake up and realize nothing has changed. Same mindset, same lifestyle, same results. By then, it's harder to fix. So the question is, how much longer are you going to live like this? How much longer will you keep choosing easy over necessary? Because let me tell you something most people won't say. You don't need motivation. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. One day you feel unstoppable. The next day you feel nothing. So if you rely on motivation, you'll always be inconsistent. What you need is discipline. Discipline is showing up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is doing the work when nobody is watching. Discipline is choosing long-term growth over short-term comfort. And the best part, discipline is a choice, not a talent, not something you're born with. A decision you make every single day. But here's the problem. Most people don't want to hear this. They want shortcuts. They want fast results. They want success without struggle. But that doesn't exist. Everything meaningful in your life requires effort, requires sacrifice, requires consistency. There is no way around it. And the sooner you accept that, the faster your life will change. Because right now, you're wasting energy fighting reality. You're waiting for the perfect time, the right mood, the best moment. But those things, they're illusions. The perfect time is now. The right mood doesn't matter. And the best moment is the one you create. So stop waiting. Start acting. Even if it's small. Because small actions create momentum. And momentum, that's what changes everything. You don't need to transform your whole life overnight. You just need to start. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Do one hard thing before anything else. Focus for 1 hour without distractions. That's it. But do it every day. Because consistency beats intensity. Every single time. You don't win by going hard for 1 week and then quitting. You win by showing up again and again and again. Even when it's boring. Even when it's hard. Even when you don't see results. Because that's where most people quit. They work for a few days, maybe a few weeks, and when they don't see instant success, they stop it. They go back to comfort, back to old habits, back to average. And that's why they never grow. You're different. You're still here. You're listening to this for a reason. Because something inside you wants more, wants better, wants change. So feed that part of you. Not the lazy version. Not the distracted version. The disciplined version. The focused version. The version of you that knows you can do more. Because you can. But potential means nothing without action. Let me say that again. Your potential means nothing if you don't act on it. There are people out there less talented than you, less intelligent than you, less capable than you, and they're winning. You know why? Because they show up. They don't overthink. They don't wait. They don't make excuses. They just do the work. Every single day. And that's the difference. Not talent. Not luck. Discipline. So, if you want to change your life, stop focusing on big results. Focus on daily actions. Because your life is built on what you do every day. Not what you say. Not what you plan. What you do. So ask yourself right now, what did you do today? Did you move closer to your goals? Or did you stay the same? Because staying the same is the most dangerous place to be. It feels comfortable, but it leads to regret. Regret. That's something you can't fix later. So don't wait for regret to teach you a lesson. Learn it now, while you still have time, while you still have energy, while you still have a chance. Because time is moving, whether you act or not. And every day you waste is a day you don't get back. Let that hit you. You don't get it back. So make it count. Do something that matters. Push yourself, even a little. Because growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from pressure, from challenge, from doing things you don't want to do. That's how you build strength. That's how you build discipline. And once you have discipline, everything changes. Your mindset changes. Your habits change. Your results change. Because you're no longer controlled by how you feel. You're controlled by what you decide. And that's power. Real power. The power to take control of your life. Take it. Starting today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Make one decision. One real decision. To stop making excuses. To stop wasting time. To stop living below your potential. And then prove it. With your actions. Not your words. Because words don't mean anything without action behind them. So don't tell yourself you'll change. Show yourself. Wake up and do the work. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. And most importantly, don't stop. Because this isn't a one-day thing. This is who you become. A disciplined person. A focused person. A person who does what needs to be done. No matter what. And when you become that person, success is no longer a question. It's a result. So the next move is yours. Stay the same or level up. But understand this. Every day you choose. And those choices, they build your future. So choose wisely. Because nobody is coming to save you. It's on you.